Previously on TMan978's.
For doing a hunt period.
Hello everyone, TMan978. Welcome to another TMan978's how-to. This time we're going to be transforming Transformers Generations Thrilling 30, the IDW version of Sandstorm, from robot mode to copter mode to land vehicle. I don't know if I want to call it a dune buggy because it's more of like a roadster, like an off-road vehicle. But anyway, we're going to do that and come back. So, first thing I'm going to do is open this panel up, flip the hand in that way, and shut it back. Open this panel up, flip the hand in, shut it back. Then we're going to detach here and detach here. Kind of get that out of the way. This part is really tricky. I'm going to pull his chest out and like kind of make the head go through. So yeah, it wasn't tricky for me this time, but I was messing with it beforehand and that was tricky for me. Up here or down here, I'm gonna shut the heel into the foot and like kind of leave it like this for now. Kind of leave it like that, and we can go ahead and plug the legs together. There's actually a little joint right there that makes the legs lock or bend outward into this situation right there. We can go ahead and plug it in down there. Now we can detach this from there. Bring this all the way up and bring that up to here. We can lift these up. Bring this unaccordion, this black hinge till it's into that position, and rotate these up like that. Now we can lift this up. There are two peg holes right here that goes into these pegs. So kind of line that up. Yeah, line that up. And now the arms need to come back. This hinge right here needs to come down, and this peg right there goes into a little hole right here. And I believe there's something else, maybe not. Just bring, oh yeah, this is what I didn't remember. That needs to peg into that hole right here. Bring that down. I guess this peg right here is more important right now in this mode. Bring the wings like that, and basically he's done. But if you want to use this or deploy this landing gear, we got that. Push this back up. Push this up, and now his weapon, we can fold this, which brings out a landing gear, and this right here, see that? We need to shove those little tiny things right there up underneath of this groove like that. Like, you have to actually just know how to do that to actually know you can do that, because it's not apparent. But now he has that little wheel right here, and we can bring out the knee pads and have it like that. But here is the copter mode. You can adjust the wings or the VTOLs as you see fit to get them into the dune buggy style mode. You can slide that back, shut these up again, get these up out the way, take this off. go ahead and rotate this right here, that little tiny wing, rotate that back. Do the same thing over here, rotate that back. But before we do anything else, we need to lift this off of here, lift this up and bring it back so that things will be sitting like this now. We need to bring the arms forward, and we need to flip up this window. Bring the arms forward, flip up that window. Now we can bring everything shut like that, and go ahead and push this down and get everything as close to here as possible. It doesn't really tab into anything on the side yet, but squeeze that. It's probably not gonna stay. Go ahead and rotate these until the tires are on the outside. Flip this up. And this actually covers those side windows. Now we can rotate or detach this and rotate this, and this little tiny tab goes into that little hole right here. So and this piece is getting in the way, so I'm gonna push that underneath of that peg. But you're gonna have to like force, go put your finger up under here and force it into this peg right here. And once you get it in there, it stays tight. Same deal over here. Oh, you know what the problem is? I didn't lift this up. But force that into there. Get this straight and bring this down, and it goes into the cavity right here. There's a peg right there that goes into this peg hole. But these legs are supposed to stay attached as well. And up here there is a peg hole. It should, in theory, at least line up. I don't think it has to be in there, to be honest. But we have these pieces right here. They rotate to here and shove in. This rotates to there and shoves in. And now here's the complete vehicle. The off-road style dune buggy vehicle. Futuristic dune buggy with some gigantic tires in the back. You can, of course, open this up and plug this into there and set it how you want. I kind of don't like that because it aims down, and when you aim it up, it looks like that. All right, now back to copter mode, taking that out, pushing that back up. I'm going to lift this up and kind of leave it in that type of position right here. I'm going to bring that up, and then we can go ahead and just squeeze these. We'll squeeze this part in to get it off of that peg. We can rotate the feet back out. Make sure all of this pegs back together again, and this pegs back together again. We can move this out, move that out. Here is the tough part, the toughest part for me. We can't shut these. These side pieces that you rotate, getting them unpegged for me on my copy, wow. Difficult. And it's hard to tell you a good way to do this without feeling like you're gonna break something. But just keep working at it. On both sides, I kind of wiggled, and now we can rotate that forward. And now we can shut this back up again. Let's try to do that over here a little bit smoother. But I'm grabbing at the one side. And the other side. If you have some type of tool that you can like pry at this with, where's my spudger? Sheesh. I typically don't need a spudger with a Hasbro product, but good night. And I damn broke my freaking spudger. This thing is in there tight. I've done this a couple times tonight. Whew. I want to keep this struggle authentic. Like wiggling and pulling up at the same time is not helping me here. It's like mostly up, but it is stuck. I don't know why that's so tight. I don't even know a good way to tell you how to do this. Damn! This must be one of my cheap spudgers, because I did get some cheap ones from Wish before. Yikes! So I got that up and flip it. Jesus Christ. Fold this in. Bruh. Anywho, now we need to move this forward to match up with that. And now I need to refilm this part because I had the camera down too low. But anywho, we need to peg this right here again. Move this back. And then peg it on this side. Move, oh god darn it. Move this down at the pegging. Stay pegged. Alright, and now we need to put the arms into a position so that these pegs right here can go into the back of the arm. Now that's good. Now back here, these dumb pegs need to go into the, well, peg holes need to cover these pegs. This part is kind of difficult to line up because the knees need to bend a certain type of way, and you need to make sure that the legs stay closed together. So here we go. There we go. It's straight. I got the arms up like this, and here we go. Now to robot mode, we could detach this. Unplug that right there, and this can bend like this so it can go back and peg in, and this can peg in right there. The shoulders need to come out, and this right here we can grab the landing gear and grab the head and start pushing that through. Make sure the landing gear is still sticking straight out. And lift the head up. And now we can move the shoulders up until we peg that into there and this into here. Unpeg that right there. Unfold this and pull the hands out. Unfold this, pull the hands out, and do that. And now we can open this up, open the foot, bring the foot, and basically he is a robot again. Get the legs stable because he is back heavy. This part right here, we can put that however you see fit. But basically he's a robot again. I hope this helped you. If it did, click like, share, all that good stuff. Follow me on social media. Links in the description. Donate a super thanks if you want. Until next time, TMan978 out of here. Thank you for watching.
Figure action. That one's me. Join the Syndicate Toy Hunters Facebook group. Link in the description. Click the videos. Click the videos, baby. Click the videos. You should really click these videos. Click the videos.